Hello, we're here at Heritage House, and we have an Easter egg hunt going on. This is the annual Baker Easter egg hunt. This year, Will's in charge. He's a little preoccupied with Mackenzie being here, but he and his friends hid all the eggs for the children. And let's see this little girl. Oh, she's excited. She's probably at her first Easter egg hunt. Oh, there's Vivian's daughter. That's Audrey. Looks like she's found the big golden egg. Now there's a bigger prize, the big chocolate bunny. Look at this sweet little girl. Looks like the nanny brought the kids. Oh, this little boy looks like he's more interested in the squirrel than the Easter eggs. They're quite tame. Oh, and the little girl with the red balloon. How cute. Oh, we know this little girl from her tea party room box. Oh, and there's grandparents and parents looking on. Now, does this little boy know that there's more eggs in that wheelbarrow behind him? Oh, here's the music teacher that's teaching Bess her violin. Maybe this is his wife. Oh, look, the little boy, he's so excited. He has 2 eggs, 1 in each hand. Oh, there's the duck. The duck wanders everywhere. Look! The girl's found it. She's yelling, "I found it! I found it!" The golden bunny. It's hidden in the pram. I found it! I found it! How exciting. Oh, there's a golden egg. And he's got a chocolate bunny. He must have loaned someone his basket. Even the dog has a bone. And they've got lemonade and cookies for the children. Oh, look, it looks like Will's trying to hold Mackenzie's hand. We'll let them alone. Let's go see what Mother and Vivian are doing. Now over here is the chicken coop. So I guess they had no problem with getting the eggs, since they have their own coop and their own chickens. Hello, Mother. I just came to check on Fiona. Seems like she's sleeping an awful lot. Oh dear, don't worry about her. Finn sleeps too. Well, did I tell you that we did the best on the gala ever? We raised the most money. Oh, that's so wonderful, dear. That's really nice. I wanted to tell you how nice your party was after the twins were christened. That was a lovely party and such nice people. I met so many of your friends. Oh, yes, it did go well. We just got to get through Easter. Dear, I wanted to talk to you about Bess. Oh, what is that, Mother? Well, it's not my place, but in my day, a girl didn't talk to her mother the way Bess talks to you. Oh, I know. You should have Nathaniel talk to her. Oh, he's the reason. She's so spoiled. You saw that phonograph player that he bought her when we had to buy her a violin. He's the reason. He says that I shouldn't worry that she's going through growing pains and she'll be married and have a family of her own soon enough. Well, I don't know about that. She seems pretty young. Well, not so young that we didn't get married at the same age. I was at the same age. Well, maybe Adam will spoil her too, the way Papa has. Yes, that's what it's going to take. Let's look at the rooms while we talk. Okay, this is Edward's room. Edward's out hunting Easter eggs. And he loves cowboys and Indians. Grandmother made him some chaps that she saw in a book. And now the parents are reading him Robin Hood. So it'll be no time before they're dressing up like Robin Hood and the Thieves. His friend loves to play too. They play baseball a little bit. Oh, here's Charlotte. He's got her in Daddy's file box. Because Daddy got a file cabinet. Oh my goodness. Candy on the rug. I keep telling those kids to keep the candy downstairs. But do they listen? Mother, have you been giving them candy? Well, dear, that is a grandmother's prerogative to give the kids candy and spoil them. I give them a nickel every now and then. You know, just shoot me. Mother, just tell them to keep the candy downstairs. I'll try to do that, dear. Okay, now we have Audrey's room. Now I had to use smaller beds and furniture to fit this low roof line, but it worked out quite well. She's got a vanity and a little ballerina back in there. Looks like she's learning how to play cards. And she has her paper doll. Oh, there's more candy on the blanket. Oh my gosh, they're gonna be sick at their stomach tonight after all this candy. Look at her piggy bank. She's been getting those pennies. And a nickel every now and then. Now they do have a little wash basin because they're on the 3rd floor. The bathroom is on the 2nd floor. And I wanted to show you her bed. We'll see. The quilt. This is the original quilt or fabric that came on the twin beds. On this bed over here. But I switched hers when I found this fabric. And it works out quite nice, but you could take some muslin and just cut the pieces out and glue them on, but that was a lucky find. Oh, look, she has the bunny in her room. I've told her she can't have the bunnies in the house, that they have to stay in the yard or in the hut. Oh my, the cat, oh my goodness, the cat is stalking the bunny. And I don't like the cats up here on the 3rd floor. Oh, Audrey, she's out in the yard looking for Easter eggs. Let's get the sticky candy. Oh, it has stuff stuck to it. We're going to have to clean that up. And the maids are told not to clean up the kids' rooms. They can guide them through it, but they are not to do it for them. They have to learn to do for themselves. Now, I like the little ties to make it look like a quilt. If you haven't seen that or done that, that's kind of fun. Okay, so let's go into, oh, we forgot to turn the lights on. Let's go into the sewing room. Now we have just a small space here, so we had to use a small sewing machine. It has some glasses and some buttons and scissors and patterns and thread, fabric, a little cushion on the chair, one of our braided rugs, And we've made a little skirt because we have a little ironing board. There's some fabric in a basket in the back. And I think there's a mouse trap. Ooh. Looks like a little mouse trap there in the corner. Now, Mother gave Bess this sewing box for graduation. And she's trying to teach Bess a little bit of sewing. She's a little preoccupied with her violin and Adam right now, but she'll need it in the future. And then it has this adorable little drawer with threads and buttons and scissors and pins. So cute. Now, I'm real proud of this dress. This was Vivian's wedding dress, and she's cut it down. Just between you and me, this is the first dress I've made. And it turned out pretty well. So I imagine the next one will be difficult. You know how that goes. But that's exciting. So there we are. This is the 3rd floor. And the children's rooms. Back. They don't have any windows though. It'd be nice if they had windows, but it's a very high-pitched roof line. So it's nice I was able to get furniture because it's only, so tall. Oh, can you believe that girl? With her big lollipop. Now we're just going to have to take the bunny downstairs. And I don't really like the kitty cat up here either. Well, we want to wish everyone a happy Easter. And thank you for coming by. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to grow this channel. And I'll make a complete tour of the dollhouse at some point if you want to look at it again. And thank you for viewing. Happy Easter.